Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time here, I really hope you'll choose to subscribe to the channel. It's the red button that's right underneath this video, and as soon as it turns gray, you're subscribed. It is free. You will not receive any notifications. However, if you want to receive notifications when I have a new posting video on YouTube, you simply have to hit the bell that's right beside that subscribe button, and then YouTube will send you an email telling you that I just posted a video. All right, let's get started. Okay, here we go. This is what came in the mail today. I got a slew of boxes yesterday. I even posted it on Instagram. And then this morning, I couldn't believe that this was in the mailbox when we got home. So this is really, really exciting that this came in. After this, I'm only waiting, hopefully, for one more box. And then that is it for September of 2019. This is the Ipsy starter bag. It is $10 a month, which is going up to $12 next month. I took advantage last month. They gave an opportunity that you can get the whole year if you paid for it up front, keeping that $10 price, and I chose to do that. With Ipsy, I'm going to be getting 3 bags in October. I'm going to be getting the $12 bag, which is the one that we're going to go through today, as well as the $25 bag, which is the Plus, and that's a box, and it's 5 full-size products. And then the Ultimate, which is their new one, which I was able to sign up for as well, and that one is 12 products. 8 of them are going to be full-size, and 4 are going to be deluxe sample size. 2 new bonuses that happened for Ipsy. One that started already this month was they changed the add-ons to be 5 that you could put it in your bag, which is up from 3. They have full sizes that are available for $12 and then sample sizes that are available for $3 each. That happens on the second day of every month. You are able to put add-ons in your box. Ipsy ships for free. The add-ons get included into your package, and they also ship for free. So with it being 5 products for, if you choose all 5 and they're the sample sizes of $3, it's like getting a second one of these bags pretty much during that month. So I have decided to do that this month to test it out and see if I put 5 products in there. I completely forgot that I did it, and when I did my video for the Plus, I finished the video. I thought I did a great job, and then when I was putting the products back into the box, I heard some rambling around, and I realized the add-ons were underneath the cushion. So I did a separate video for those 5. After I did that, I realized, you know what? That's almost like the same as doing a full video on the Ipsy bag that we're going to be doing today. So with that said, I did add another 5 on. I do not want this video to be too long, so like that video, which was a mistake and it ended up being a bonus, I decided to separate the add-ons into a separate video and then do just the Ipsy Glam bag as one video. So we'll have 2 videos in reference to what my bag was today. All right, let's get started so this doesn't get to be too long. Okay, this is the card that comes in the Ipsy bag. A similar card comes in the box that is the Plus, but it tells you everything you want to know about the products that you are going to be getting in this bag. And then it gives you a little snapshot and then usually some tips on how to use the products. So I'm going to be looking down periodically, and you are going to go in the order of the card so that we can go through this all together. All right. The first item that is on the card is from IBY. It's City Lights. It's an eyeshadow. I love when they take that extra step, and even the sample products that are only $3 come in a little retail box. I think that's really, really chic and extra bonus thing to do. This is the product that we got. It is in the shade called Fire and Ice, and it is a dark color there. I will do a little bit on my finger here to show you guys, and then I'll do a light swatch on my hand there. It looks a lot lighter than it does in the pan, which is unbelievable. It's far prettier than I thought. It scared me a little bit when I looked at it just now, but like I said, when you put it on, it is really pretty. Now that's 2, and that's what that item is here. Really, really pretty. Okay, always extra surprise. Okay, so IBY Beauty is an eyeshadow in Fire and Ice. It was founded in Los Angeles. IBY encourages confidence, kindness, and self-expression. This shadow is infused with rose hip seed oil to keep your skin smooth and hydrated. Plus, the brick brown shade shifts to an army green as it catches the light. Tip: use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend the fire and ice all over your lids. Then take a damp, angled eyeliner brush and smudge it into your lower lash line. That's unbelievable. And the fact that I'm wearing army green today, I had no idea this was in the bag. And this is going to be something that I'm going to try when I wear this dress again. Wow, really, really pretty. Okay, so that was the first item. We're going to be going through 5 items. The second item here is from 111 Skin. 111 Skin is a very expensive brand, but it is amazing. I got introduced to 111 Skin through Ipsy Plus. It was one of my first Plus boxes that I got, and it was a serum that was unbelievable. I wanted to repurchase it, and then when I looked for it online, it was over $110. So I said, I think I'll wait to see what other serums come in the next boxes. So with that said, I still think this is a win. It is just an expensive product. So if you get an opportunity to try 111 Skin for $3, to me, that's a win. All right, so this one is their Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel, and very excited to get this. And what they say here, it's a small little guy here and is 0.25 fluid ounces. And it says it is founded by a globally renowned cosmetic surgeon. The brand's scientific-backed products address a wide range of skin concerns. This lightweight eye gel brightens, minimizes puffiness, and majority hydrates. Plus, it helps keep your concealer smooth and crease-free. That sounds like a bonus. The tip is to place a tiny drop onto your under eye area and smooth it out with your finger. All right, let's give this guy a little shot. This is the, let's see what comes out here. Okay, it is a small little drop that I put on there. Remember, with your under eye area, you always need very, very little. That's it over here. And let's spread this guy out. Okay, your skin really drinks it in really quickly. It's right there. And it really leaves a smoothing effect. This will be a real pleasure to try. Happy, happy, happy. Once again, another great product. Okay, the next item that we got was from Benefits. This is a product all of us are pretty much familiar with. It's called Gimme Brow. It is a really small sample size. I'm not going to open this one because I do have one that's already open. This one has, it's almost like a little mascara wand, and that's what you use to brush it through your brow. What they say here is the bolder brows of your dreams are here. It's a water-resistant gel. It's loaded with teeny microfibers that fill in sparseness, add definition, and shape your brows while looking totally natural. The Brow Shaping Newbie. The tapered brush applies an application and makes it super easy. They tell you the tip is to fluff up your brows, use the spoolie to comb through them in an upward motion. And they gave it to us in number 3, which is a neutral light brown. Ipsy also has a profile that you fill out. You tell them what your hair color is, your eye color, your wants, what you don't want, and pretty much they go through that profile. I have been very lucky that majority of the time, if not 100% of the time, I have not gotten any duds, and the colors that they have chosen for me have really matched what I think I put in my profile. You can change your profile at any time. I think it's a win. So that's why I think I got the neutral light brown, which I think will be a good match for me. All right, the next item here is from Hanhoo. It is a watermelon illuminator. I'm not familiar with this brand called Hanhoo, so once again, they're introducing us to a brand, and that's what I love about beauty boxes, is we get introduced to a lot of brands that we don't know and we learn to love. So this is a watermelon illuminator. It's an overnight serum. Love overnight serums. This is, which is great because you put it on after you do all your cleansing and everything. You usually put this on as your last step. You go to sleep, it sinks into your skin, and you're literally wearing a barrier between your treatments that you put on your face and the outside air. The next thing you know, you wake up in the morning and it is, your face looks phenomenal. If you haven't tried any of the sleeping masks or overnight serums, really, if you can, for $3, give it a shot. You will see the difference like I did. This is an overnight serum. It says Hanhoo's, I hope I'm pronouncing this right, I really apologize. Mission is to bring confidence to everyone who uses their skincare. Not only is this water-like serum super refreshing, it smells like watermelon, which all summer long, the products we've been getting in most of the boxes have been watermelon, and they've been so enjoyable. It's made with a mix of superfruits like apple extract to nourish and hydrate and refine your skin's texture while you sleep. The tip is to apply a dime-size amount of this serum into your skin, pat it on gently until it absorbs, let it work overnight, then rinse it off the next morning before following with your usual routine. So it's pretty much like all the other ones. It's great. This actually has a safety seal, which is really nice when they do that on sample products. Let me take that down. We'll put a little bit on my back of my hand. It has, see if it's running. It has a gel-like consistency. It's right over here. All right, and let's rub that in. And the under eye serum that I put in before this is completely into my skin, and this is now the overnight serum. So you can see how shiny that still is. And the other one is beyond smooth. The 111 Skin Eye under eye serum. Wow, it feels like velvet there on my skin. And this is exceptionally moisturizing, the watermelon mask. Wow, another winner. Okay. I love Ipsy. All right, the next item is Ofra Cosmetics. This is from the collaboration with Ofra and Madison. I got this in the Sugarcup lip gloss. I was so excited to see that in my plus bag, in the add-ons, and now in this bag, they had the Ofra Madison collection. The Ofra Madison collection was literally launched on September the 1st. And we had it in our bags or as an option to put in our bags on September 2nd. Brand new launch. I know Madison Miller is a really strong YouTuber, and I know she works very closely with Ipsy, so I'm sure that had something to do with getting this into the Ipsy program, but to have it the same day or the next day of the launch, that is beyond a win-win. So really excited. I'm probably going to do a video, if I can, of all the Madison products, the Ofra Madison products that I chose as add-ons, as well as what I got into my boxes, because I think I ended up getting all of her line except for one product, which was a peach blush, which wasn't even an option in any of my add-ons, or I would have done that as well. So once again, this one is called Sugarcup lip gloss. It says this is a limiting edition collab between a beauty guru, Ofra Gato, and beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller. She gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This pink gloss with a hint of purple shines up on your lips without feeling the least bit sticky. The tip is to apply this gloss over your bare lips or over a lip balm to keep things nice and smooth, or use it to top your favorite lip colors with a touch of glam. So let's see what color this ends up being. Oh, it has that great doe foot that has a bit of a tilt, which makes it a lot easier to put on your hands, on your lips. And that's the color there. Really, really pretty. So let me show it to you in the bottle. And there. Really, really pretty. Wow. I think this is an absolute deal for $10, even at $12, which is what it's going up to next month. It introduces you to Ipsy at a really reasonable price. It also gives you an option to be part of the Ipsy family, where they have all these other add-on choices that lets you do that, as well as in their system, I have found out they have an area that's called Shopper, where they run different deals and different kits throughout the month, and they are fantastic. So I last month took advantage of it for, there was a Shopper kit that was called their Endless Summer Haul. If you're interested, you can take a look at it. It's in my videos. It's one of my more popular ones that blew my mind because the actual products were phenomenal. I got over 14 full-size products for $59, including the shipping, and each one of them was a winner in their own right, including products from Huda Beauty. They were all brand names. It's not a mystery box. They show you exactly what you're going to be getting. like I said, to me, Ipsy is a win-win. Their whole program, from what you can get for what you can afford, is in there, and it doesn't leave anybody out to be able to enjoy makeup if you're a makeup lover like I am. All right, once again, this was the Ipsy $10 bag. It's still September. It was called Find Your Light. They also have something written on the back of the card that I don't want to forget to tell you guys. If you're part of the Ipsy program, they're saying their program just got better. Some of the things I mentioned at the beginning of the video, but what I didn't mention and I forgot, and it's on the back of the card here, it says you will be able to choose a product now every month beginning on September 24th. You will be able to choose one of your 5 glam bag products. Then they will build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. So save the date, that's September 24th. They also have the Pick 5 add-ons, which I did tell you guys about. You now have access to more samples and full-size products from over 100 plus brands at unbeatable prices. They also have over $50 of value in every glam bag. They say they're investing more than ever in delivering you your favorites and exciting new brands to create the most delightful glam bag experience. So really, really excited about that. The other thing that I didn't tell you that I did read is now in every single bag or box. So this one, we always get a bag, and I don't know if I showed you guys this at the beginning. It's so, so cute, and it's got this great little crystal open closure bag, and this is it. It's absolutely stunning. Now they're going to be including a bag in every one of their boxes. The Glam Bag Plus, which has the 5 full-size products, they initially started it with a bag and then they stopped it. Now they say they're doing it again, and then they're saying the $50 also going to have each bag, each box or bag is going to have an additional cosmetic bag in it, and the sizes will be equivalent to the bag. So if you start with a starter bag, you get a smaller one. The medium, you'll get a medium bag, and then on the larger one, you're going to get a larger one. But I think they're all going to be the same theme. I'm so excited to see what's going to be happening in October. September has always been the most exciting month because the Boxy Luxes come out, and you have all the FabFitFun Fall Box, and you have all this. And now in October, usually you'd have to wait 3 months until the next bigger boxes, and now we're going to have the opportunity to get a big box every month from Ipsy as well. So really, really excited to get that going. Once again, if you're enjoying my content, I would really enjoy it if you would press the red button that is underneath this video. It is a subscribe button. It is free. It solely helps me on the YouTube platform to get me recognized, as well as the bell beside it if you want to be notified that I have posted a new video. If not, you're just supporting me by hitting that button, and nobody calls you, nobody writes you, nobody emails you. It's simply free. It just supports me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my content. And if you can leave me a comment down below what you got in your little Ipsy bag, as well as if you chose to do any of the add-ons as well. I'd love to know. All right, once again, thank you for finding me. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.